Hi guys, Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're reviewing the brand new awning range from Vango for the 2024 season. So they've made quite a lot of changes to the range, and we're going to go through this particular model here today. So this is the Vango Faros Air Low, and it's the third iteration of this awning. So we're going to talk through some of the exterior and interior features, what's changed, what stayed the same, and see if this awning is right for you. So to begin with, the actual size of the awning. So this one comes in 180 depth in terms of the awning living space, 2.9 meters wide, and then you get a further 95 centimeters in the tunnels area. So it is the most compact Driveaway in Vango's range. Perfect for couples where you haven't got a lot to store. It's somewhere just to sit outside of the van, dining, eating space. It's great for that, and given the size, that means it's a lot smaller pack size than other models in the range. So it's coming in at about 13 kg, and you can get this one pitched in about 8 minutes. So it's fantastic from a putting it up and down perspective, especially if you're going to be touring across Europe or the UK across the summer months. You're not having to put something up too large, that's too large for your needs really. So we'll work our way around now. We're going to talk through some of the exterior features first. Key change that they've made this year is the fabric. So they've upgraded the Faros Air to 150 denier fabric, so a colour lock fabric as well. So the previous version was the Sentinel Active fabric. That was 70 denier, so this is now 150. So they've sort of doubled the thickness, doubled the robustness of the fabric. And now you've got the colour lock technology inbuilt into it. It means that colour retention and longevity of the awning is really going to be there for you. So really good upgrade from Vango, great to see. And they've also styled it in this new sort of colourway as well. So we've got the two-tone grey and then the orange accents, very much traditional to the Vango brand, looking really nice and smart. Really liking this swoosh where they put up across the side of the awning, and it really shows off this new air zone ventilation. So extra large vent, which we know is really important for your Driveaway awning, especially in the summer months where you're keeping that airflow in and out of the awning itself. Other key points to note, we've got this really nice diamond clear window, so extra large, pretty much the whole height here of the side panel, just making it a really nice light space for you. Inside that, you've got the privacy curtains, so if you want to have that privacy or at night time for sleeping, you've got the curtains, the toggle up curtains in there as well. As we move our way backwards, you'll see we've got the two air beams on the Faros Air. So it's their airspeed valve system. Vango have that patented. I've had that now, the sort of technology for around 10 years. It's a really nice, quick and easy sort of twist lock system that you use for inflation. The pump comes included, and it means you can get that pumped up and deflated really quickly. In terms of tunnel space, so as we said before, just under a metre in terms of depth. You've got the dual access, so either side you can enter the van, which makes it great, for prams and stuff like that. You can put it in from either side, and it's great for an extra storage space as well. In terms of attaching to the van, so as you can see here, being a Driveaway awning, you'd want to purchase a Driveaway kit with it. So then it gives you the ability to leave the awning pitched, to take out the Driveaway kit, and then you can simply drive the van away and you're not having to re-pitch the awning each time. So really good compact Driveaway awning. Some great changes they've made, I feel, for the ventilation and the fabric. As we work our way inside, like you see, really nice and compact, can be used as a sleeping area if you wanted to. They've got the toggle points at the front and back for a bedroom inner. Probably this awning's more catered towards just a dining or storage area, but it could be used for sleeping as well. As you can see, we've got a really nice side access mesh door here as well. So you've got not only this really large front door, you've got the side door, and you've got the two tunnel doors as well. So loads of access points. And as you can see, you've got this really nice drop down ground sheet. So for wheelchairs, prams, really nice easy access in and out of the awning. As we mentioned before, you can see here we've got the toggle down curtains. So these zip up either side, and then you can attach them, you can tie them back with the toggles here. We've also got cable entry, so if you're on a site and you want that mains hookup, you've got the ability to feed the mains through into the awning. And as we can see here, the main doorway, so we fully open this out, but if it's zipped down, you've got a really nice diamond clear window at the front as well. So the elements are coming in, but you still want to see out of the awning, you've got that really nice large window there. So I think in summary, it's a very, very intelligent awning. They've marketed this awning very much to couples who just want a small compact space outside of their van, especially in the summer months. And what they've now done is they've upgraded the fabric. They've kept that great air beam system in play. And I feel, as you know, it was a very popular awning sort of 2023. With all these new improvements, I feel as though it's just going to get even more popular as we go forward. So thanks so much for watching. We're going to be doing more of the Vango Driveaway awning reviews. So if this one might be slightly too small for your needs, we'll be doing some larger awning reviews on the Galley CC and the Cove, so definitely worth checking those out. But as always, if you've got any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.